Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to activate Opensky credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To activate your Opensky credit card account is quite easy. Make sure to open up a web browser, and once you do that, go to the search box at the top and type in openskycc.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you do that, you'll end up in this official site of Opensky. Go to the top right and click on the My Account tab, which will take you to the login area of Opensky credit card. To activate your new card online, go to the top right hand corner and click on the green Activate Card button. On the next page, you'll need to provide your information that is available on your credit card. In order to activate, go to the first text box and type in your credit card account number. On the next field, type in your name that appears on your card and make sure to type it in exactly the same. Type in your middle initial if available on your card, and then on the next field, type in your last name. On the next field where it says last 4 digits of social security number, type in your last 4 digits that is available on your social security number. Select your expiry date for your credit card you are trying to activate, and on the next field, type in your 3 digits CVC or CVV number. The number is available right on your card, so don't worry at all. On the next field, type in your date of birth and then select your state from the next drop down. Type in your zip code next, and once you do that, click on the submit button at the bottom of the screen and you'll be able to activate your credit card for Opensky. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.